What can Earth observation satellites reveal about climate change? Imagine having a bird's eye view of the entire planet, constantly watching over Earth's changing environment. That's exactly what Earth observation satellites do. These satellites orbit thousands of miles above us, collecting data on land, oceans, ice, and the atmosphere. They provide a detailed picture of how our climate is evolving over time. Unlike ground-based tools, satellites can see remote areas like the Arctic, Antarctic, and vast ocean regions without needing to be physically there. They circle the Earth in specific orbits, passing over the same spots regularly, which allows scientists to track changes with consistency. One of their key roles is measuring the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Special sensors on these satellites detect gases like carbon dioxide and methane, which trap heat and drive global warming. This helps identify where emissions are coming from and whether countries are meeting their climate commitments. Satellites also measure surface and ocean temperatures with high accuracy. Tracking these temperatures over years reveals warming patterns and helps scientists understand how oceans absorb heat, which influences weather and climate. Monitoring ice sheets, glaciers, and snow cover is another vital task. Using radar and optical sensors, satellites can see how much ice is melting and how fast. This data shows the loss of ice in polar regions, which contributes to sea level rise. They also observe changes in vegetation and land use, such as deforestation or shifting growing zones, which respond to climate shifts. These observations help us understand how ecosystems are reacting to warming temperatures. Satellites also keep an eye on the oceans, measuring sea level rise, ocean color, and currents. These factors are important because they affect marine life and climate regulation. For example, rising sea levels threaten coastal areas, and changes in ocean color can indicate shifts in marine ecosystems. Satellites can even spot extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires early on. This helps scientists analyze their frequency and strength, giving communities time to prepare. All this data feeds into climate models, which predict future changes. By combining satellite observations with computer simulations, scientists can better understand potential risks and help policymakers plan for adaptation. Governments use satellite data to verify emission reports, monitor environmental policies, and improve early warning systems for climate disasters. In short, Earth observation satellites are essential tools for understanding climate change. They provide continuous, detailed, and global data that help us see the big picture of Earth's changing environment. Their sensors and orbital paths allow for precise monitoring of environmental indicators, making them a cornerstone in climate science and environmental management.